In today's video, I'll show you how you can send GIFs in WhatsApp. So let's get started. So here we are in WhatsApp, and from here is that you just simply want to navigate to the chat where you would want to send a GIF in. For example, I want to go here into this chat right here. I want to send a GIF, so we would need to tap here on the sticker icon, just on the left side of the camera icon here at the bottom, as you can see. Tap on it, and then from here, tap on GIF. Right here on the top menu where you can see three buttons there, just tap on GIF. And now that is where you'd be able to send a GIF. You can choose from the GIFs right here, as you can see. And you could also tap here on search if you're finding some specific GIFs. Like for example, I'm gonna go for an OK GIF right here. So something like this. And now you can just tap on a GIF that you would want to send. So for example, I would want this Mr. Bean one. I can tap on that. And then as you can see, it is now sent just as easily. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.